Here, Mom, use this instead.
Okay. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Easy. This one easy. Easy.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the JOYMOOP self-cleaning mop system. Oh my goodness, guys, I can't believe everything is inside this mop system. I thought there'd be a whole bunch of loose parts. That's smart packaging right there. They fit everything inside here, protected properly. And that's when you know you have a complete mop system. So I might as well show you what it looks like in the inside. See? Large interior volume. Alright, let's pop the lid back in and see what else is inside the rest of these boxes. So I have everything unboxed. Let's go from left to right. It looks like we have a total of 6 microfiber pads. These looks like 2 different type of texture that you see. I think this one feels a little bit more smoother. For different type of cleaning surface, and of course a very easy instructions manual. And it looks like on the right we have 2 sets of the Mop-Heads. Okay. Oh, looks like these also already have. See, so you have basically a total of 4 of each type of microfiber pads. All right. Now if you take a look at this. This measures about 15 inches. I think the competition is only about 13 inches. So you have definitely a bigger cleaning surface. All right. Let's go ahead and assemble the rods. Screw on. Now, 3 of these are the exact same type. So you don't have to worry about that because the next 2 pieces are going to just be screw on type. And then we get to the bottom, which you insert using this to screw on, okay? And then we get to the mop head, which has a what do you call these? Pop-up buttons. We just simply insert it into the hole, line it up, and there we have it. Your complete mop system right there. I'm really starting to dig the color. So here you see the mop system side by side. The left one is, I reduced one of the rods, but of course the longest piece measures 60 inches. So let's go ahead and take a look at the JOYMOOP mop system in detail. Very nice, easy to carry handle. As you see right here, there is a drying compartment and also a wash compartment. It's fitted to fit your mop system in there. Make sure you align it properly. And if you take a look, it says this way up. So it only folds a particular way properly. Alright. And make sure it's, see how that easily snaps. That's the position that you want to insert it whenever, whether you put it in the wash or the dry compartment. Alright. Because the other direction will not work. It's not supposed to be, see? It doesn't fold down all the way. So that's what is a good design right there. 2 separate compartments. And you take a look on the wet compartment. There is even a built-in drainage hole. You can either pour it out from the top or also drain it from the bottom for easier work. Work smarter, not harder. Let me fill it with water. Alright, so now I'm going to show my mom how to use this properly. So we have the dry and the wet, right? Okay, so the wet, simply. So imagine if I put some floor cleaning agent, your favorite floor cleaning agent. Put this in here. So you wet it completely. If it's not enough water, of course you can put more in here. Okay. And if it's too wet, that's when we would put it in the dry. Okay. Line it up. Don't forget to up it up. See how that squeezes out the water properly. And now I can get to mopping. That's how easy it is. See that? Very easy. See how the floors are becoming shiny and clean already? Just repeat the process until your whole floor is dry and clean. See? What these two compartments does is also self-cleans, because the scraper not only dries the mop head but also removes hair and dust. Self-cleaning scrape system. Alright, so I'm gonna have my mom try it. I explained it to her. You have to line it up properly. Okay, if it's not enough water, dip it. If it's too wet, now you dry it. Alright, only one way up. That's right, Mom. Okay, now you can mop it. See? It's easy as 1, 2, 3. And of course, if the handle is not long enough, you can, if you're super tall, like an NBA player, you can add an extra compartment. See? Look how easy it is. And with this 360 degrees swivel head, it makes it easy to clean those hard to reach places. Like I stated, you can either pour it out from the top, or if you lack the strength to pull this up, simply put the release button. Now you guys probably wonder, how do you replace the microfiber pads when it's dirty? It's very easy, because it's held on by Velcro strips and also these 3 pads. So here's my suggestion. What you want to do is lay down the mop until you hold off this end, because you don't want it sticking. Just have it flush until it aligns it, and you feel it. Press it down, just like that, and we're good to go. Easy to use, right, Mom?
Yes.
How do you like it?
Easy and
A lot easier on your back and your hands, right? Yeah.
Easy and clean.
Yes. It's all in the hand power. You don't have to use a leg or use much strength to use this mop system. As you can see, it is mother approved. So if you are looking for the ultimate mop system, which is easy to use, with also a built-in self-cleaning drying system, definitely give the JOYMOOP brand a look.
I like it. More people like it, I think.